Good morning, students. As you know, that for few days I was not able to upload some movies. So today's tutorial is in Flash. As you can see on the screen, it is desktop. On the desktop, it's spotlight masking. So today we are going to learn spotlight masking. So let's start this. File, new. Okay. Over here, I'm going to change the background color. I'll click on 12 FPS. This FPS is frame per second. As I click over here, from here I'm going to change the background color. Say I have taken a red background color. And okay. This is the layer 1. On layer 1, I am going to write a text. I'll click on A. I'll start writing over here, and it is spotlight. Click on black arrow, increase its size. If you find the size of a text small, you may go over here, you may click over here it and select any of the size. It's 18, but because for this I want the size big, I'll take 96. Now you can see the size, the color is not so good, so we are going to change the color also. We'll take aqua color. Is it visible? On 50, I'll click F6. Some of the students feel a little bit problem while working on laptop. On laptop, if you want to press these function keys F1, F2, F3 till F12, there is a function key near your space bar, near in between the window key and a control key, and the name of that key is FN. So students, this is a text. We'll insert a new layer, layer 2, playhead. This red line is called playhead. Over here we'll click and bring the playhead over here. I'll take one color, say dark blue, and make a circle the bigger than this text. And now again I'll click on 50 and I have to press function key F6. If we have made click a function key F6, I'll select it. My mouse is I'm having a little bit problem while using my mouse. You can see it's give me a little bit problem. I'll drag it and keep it over here. Now this is the location of my first circle, first position, and this is the final. And remember one thing, never give motion to the text, always give the motion to the object which is moving over it. Press enter. Oops, it's not working because one thing we forgot. Over here again on layer 2, we'll right click over it and select mask. Again right click and mask. Let's see, control enter, whether it's working. Yes, it's working. So dear students, this is called spotlight masking. I hope You understand it easily. I will load videos, my tutorials as I get the time to help you. Do good, have good. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.